Morning mga Katipol Vlogs. Welcome sa isang video bus check. Ngayong araw na to, May 14, 2024, Tuesday, 7:27 AM. And this is Ken from PG. So, check na natin yung bus natin na gagamitin natin. Bus number 5722. So, let's go. Let's put up the school signs. Yun. Let's put it up. So, all good. So, this one is testers are all good. All damage. That's all damage. All damage. And this one has brand new tires. Medyo flat nga lang. Testers are all good. And this one is testers are all good. So okay, all good. So let's put up the school signs first bago natin makalimutan mga Katipol Vlogs. So this one is all good. Okay, all damage. Fenders are cracked. Adjusters are all good. Madumi nga lang. And all good. Ito tayo sa loob. Tingnan natin kung malinis-linis ng konti. Hindi pa nila nawawashing yung bus na. This one is all good. All good. And thank you. So that's all for our video was vlog for today. Paalam!